When I cook zucchini, I slightly scrape the skin with help of a knife to reduce the bitterness. Also, for some meals prepared by mashing, I peel the skin off. Mild bitterness in zucchini, like that found in cucumber, may be result from environmental factors such as high temperature, low moisture, low soil nutrients, etc. The bitterness is caused by compounds called cucurbitacins. There is also a rare condition which can cause extreme bitterness in zucchini. A compound called cucurbitacin E is found in wild species of squash, but is extremely rare in cultivated species. Univ. of Arizona, see link. 1. Closing parenthesis. Having bounced around to the various other sites, I basically had what I've heard anecdotally before confirmed: salt and lay out to drain liquid. I suppose the implication is that by desiccating the zuc a little bit, it can remove the cucurbitacin, which is a steroid developed to ward off herbivores. See link. 2. Closing parenthesis. Putting the zucs in salt water is also recommended by some. It appears that people can, see link. 3. Become ill, see link. 4. From incredibly bitter zucs, so be wary of eating extremely bitter ones, see link. 5. In this case, you may want to follow the wisdom of your taste buds and drop the zucchini in the trash.